Carbonada Criolla is a delicious beef stew from the Patagonia region of Argentina. It's one of the recipes from my book, The Ultimate High Protein Handbook. And when I woke up this morning, it was 5 degrees in Aberdeenshire in Scotland, and I just wanted to cook something cozy to eat and enjoy for dinner. On first glance, it may look a bit odd given that you've got a rich beefy stew with dried apricots, sweet potato, and sweet corn in it, but trust me, it is a winning combo, and that contrast of sweet and savoury is absolutely delicious. The prep for this recipe is minimal, it's great for midweek, but it's also excellent for feeding a crowd, and I think you're going to love it. And this is exactly how you make it. The first thing is to peel and to roughly chop up a couple of sweet potatoes. If you're not a fan of sweet potatoes, you could use just white potatoes. And then we're going to slice 150 grams of dried apricots. If you don't have them or don't like them, sultanas would be a replacement. Or if you're not a fan of sweet things in your stews, you can leave them out completely, but they are quite key to the dish. Then you're going to quarter an onion along with a green pepper and a red pepper. I'm just using this combo for colour, but you could use different colours. Again, it's not really going to affect the taste that much. It's mainly about presentation. And then once you've chopped up those veggies, we want to fry them in a large oven-proof casserole dish on a medium heat with a little bit of oil until they start to soften and the onions are turning brown. Once that's ready, you're going to add 2 garlic cloves or around 10 grams of garlic. Mix that through and fry for a further 30 seconds. Then add 200 ml of red wine. If you don't use red wine, you could use extra stock, and then 200 ml of beef stock, or 400 if you're not using alcohol. A can of chopped tomatoes, and then to that we're going to add a tablespoon of paprika, just regular sweet kind, not smoked, 10 grams of corn flour to help things thicken up, and a kilo of lean diced beef. You could use lamb if you wanted, but I think beef is best. 2 bay leaves, and then add in those apricots, sweet potatoes, and stir everything so it's nicely combined. Then it's into the oven at 180 degrees for about an hour and a half. Also at this point in the video, if you could click that like button, it would really help me out. It just means more people are likely to see this video. Thanks in advance. So after an hour and a half, you can remove it from the oven, and then we want to stir through some sweet corn, about 160 grams. Also at this point, check and season with more salt if needed. If your stock's quite salty, you might not need to, but taste it just now, add more salt if needed. And then all you need to do is just stir that sweet corn through, pop the lid on it, and just give it 10 more minutes to heat up. And then plate up, garnish with something green. I'd serve this with potatoes or rice or crust to bed and just get stuck in. So that is Carbonada Criolla from the Ultimate High Protein Handbook, which is available in all good bookstores near you and online on Amazon. But seriously, if you want 80 high protein recipes, get the book. Now, I'm off to go and eat this, but before I do, let me thank you for watching this video. And if you are a new viewer or if you've not had a chance yet, make sure to click that subscribe button, because then you'll be notified as soon as I post a new high protein recipe so you don't miss out. And drop me a comment below and let me know what you think of this beef casserole. And also, if you've got any beef casserole recipes that I've not done before on the channel, drop me a comment below, because I love cooking them and I'm looking for some inspiration. So leave a comment below, let me know what your favorite beef casserole recipe is, and I'll try and cook it if I've not done so already. Right, go eat it. I'll speak to you later.